Copy. What happened? Huh? All of you be quiet. Okay. Ranveer. Yes. You're continuously talking. Or Ranveer is talking. Both are talking.
Sir, two values of P.
Wait. Wait. Yes. What happened? What was the problem in the exam? Why are you standing here? Why? Reason. Leave. Ajay, you are unable to solve that question. From which chapter? Is there any question was there from outside textbook? What was your problem? Nothing. Why you are standing then? Huh? Quadratic value came wrong. Calculation mistake. Hello. What was your problem? Time was the problem. Means practice is less. You? Banking last answer.
Banking was not last.
Yeah, let him speak. You have to find out others' problem. Let him speak now.
I got wrong calculation.
And what is your problem?
Sir, took MB interest as a. The question was.
No. Okay. No. What is the problem, brother? Sir, why you late in bed? You didn't want to come. Sit down, all of you. All of you sit down.
Sir, can you do that, sir? Sir, right, sir, please. Minus t minus 2 bracket x plus 1.
Also, that is why you are standing here, no?
Can I solve that? Given that equal minus 4 is greater than b square minus 4 is
No,
sir, not like this. And x plus 1 is not in brackets. That was fact in my mind. X plus.
this one.
Yes, sir. I took equation. Sir, I've done it by quadratic formula.
Renvi, still you are talking. You cannot listen over here, na? Whenever I look there and not talk, then I will. Renvi, stand up. What is the condition for equal roots? Renvi, what is the condition for equal roots? B square. Take the bag and come here. So, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0.
Yes.
Okay. This side I'll put you. Those who are attended the today's MEPS.
Sir, 2.
Those who are attended today's MEPS, please stand up.
Sir, if less than 15 minutes, then
Yeah. Yeah. Hello, Bilal. Next talking means, outside. When I came to Icse class, who all were there? You are there, Archit was there, you are there. Isn't it? You three sit down. When did you come?
I came
5 o'clock.
5:15.
1 hour before. Sit down. When did you come? 4:45. Sit down. When did you come?
5:10.
Hey, others be quiet. I said a lot of times, please don't see the others' problems. Try to think about your problems. Tell. Why? Sleeping. So then don't come that way. Yes. By mistake you come out. Then what happened? Oh, so you are from which school? Get in. Sit down. Others stand up because of the exam. You people, all others stand up. You all are from Ryan
Yes, sir.
because of the Rohit also from Ryan only. Huh? The Ryan students sit down. Because of the exam only you do not come now.
Yes.
What was the problem? Where exam? School exam is going on. Yours? Sit down. Sit down. When did you come back?
Yes.
Now look here. This much is clear. What
Sir, my name is not there.
name is not there in the?
Sir, now it is.
No. Remaining here, what should I do? There are a lot of ways you can do. P minus 2 whole square is equal to 16. P minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 4. P is equal to 2 plus or minus 4. Two values are there. 2 plus 4 is 6 or 2 minus 4 is minus 2. The value of P is equal to 6 or minus.
Sir, if one answer is right and
Sir, one value is wrong and one is correct. How much?
1 mark here.
question is 3 marks.
That is 1 mark. Okay. I'll give the proper. Give you the proper method. Now, okay, all of you listen now. So I don't need to explain any other. Oh, sir. We were discussing about the arithmetic progression. The second exercise is completed.
Yes.
Where is the attendance sheet? Huh? With you. Then pass it. Then you are taking home out. No. You write the name and tell while going. You tell the office. Okay. Maybe your name was in the second page. No. That second page is there. Maybe I think you know that it is not print properly. All other names are there. You did not write. Where did you write the name? To write the name and send. The next step we write. Yeah. Listen, all of you. We were started discussing with the AP, and I think we have done the second exercise is completed. So how many questions? Huh? Third question done. Fourth question also we are done. Fifth question we have to start. Listen, all of you. These are first two exercises are based on this one only. Nth term of an AP. Gauri, what is the nth term of an AP?
A plus n minus 1.
Tell formula Tn is equal to.
Tn is equal to A plus
Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A?
first term.
D.
Common
N.
difference. Number of
terms. Tn.
nth term.
Nth term or last term. Sit
Last
down.
term.
Sidra, what's an AP?
It is a series of numbers.
It is a series. Tell that series. Okay.
2, 4.
2, 4. No, is it always 2, 4?
A plus D.
A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. That is an AP. So what happened to you today? You are Krishna, what did you do with her? She's sitting and crying. Huh? All fine now. Don't worry. Okay. Hmm? Anne Mary, take care of her. Okay? Ask her in between what happened. Sit down. So A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Where A is the first term. You know this formula down? Sure. You have to, I said no, take the book and read and write the formula. How many times we written? Your school, which chapter is going on? Huh? School not started. Ajay, but teacher is not learned. So, why don't Bilal, stand up. Take a book. Did you? I am also telling you. Did you hear? Take the book. Last time we will be going out. You know, you sit with these people, you will sit and talk. Why don't you sit separately? Or you have to come and or your intention to come to UT is to sit and talk. Is it so? That is the reason you tell me. I'll give you a place for you. Who are the friends? I will make you to sit and school. You are not getting a chance to talk. Or they are also saying thing. Actually, there is sleeping time. I am sleeping. I am telling lies, no? No problem. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Exercise 10.2. We did the question number 4. Please write the steps properly. Okay. Achha, read the fifth question. Fifth question. Read now. Nobody else. Hey, Devesh, read the question.
Fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times of its first term, and 7 term exceeds twice the fourth term by 1. Find the first term and the common difference.
All of you read that question once again. Condition, get it. Where is your volume? Archit, where is your volume? Whose volume is that one? You stand up, Bilal. Take out the volume. Go home and get it. Did you hear? Move from here. This is not the first time. Every time the same story goes on. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is the first time. Go. Move out from there. Move out. Today, Bilal, your name, how many times I called you in this day? According to me, I called 6 times. Did anyone's name I took 6 times here? Still, you will do the same thing only. I mean, try to behave yourself now. You don't have the book. You don't have. Then still talking. Still having something only. Yes. Did you follow? What is it? Sit down.
Fourth term, we have to find fourth term,
We have to find fourth term.
which is A plus 3D.
As if what is written, read the first statement and tell me what is the equation given.
Fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times its first term.
What is the meaning?
So A plus 3D.
T4.
T4 is equal to A plus
T4 is equal to 3 times first term. T3 times T1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Fourth term is 3 times the first term. What is fourth term? Now tell. A plus 3D is equal to 3 times A. First T1 is A. Understood? So these two. Whatever. So written in the question, no, read. Fourth term is 3 times the first term. Fourth term is T4. First term is T1. Okay, that's all. Now, therefore, 3D is equal to how much you will get us? Or if you want to make the equation, I think second equation also okay. If you 7 term, make it to the equation. So you will get us A plus 3D minus 3A is equal to 0. Minus 2A plus 3D is equal to 0, condition 1. Or if you want to write 3D is equal to 2A, no problem, anything. Okay, read, next condition.
The next condition, 7 term exceeds twice the third term by 1.
You have to tell properly what is it.
T7 minus 1 equal to
T7 is equal to plus 1. 2 times,
2 times
2 times or 3 times?
2 times.
Twice the third term.
T3.
These are the two conditions you have to get, then formula substitution. 7th term exceeds means more than 1. Than what? 2 times the third term. Now what is T7?
A plus 60.
A plus 60 is equal to 2 times. How many?
Plus 2D.
Bracket you have to put. Sit down. Plus 1. So open the bracket. A plus 60 is equal to 2A plus 40 plus 40. You can simplify. So A plus 60 minus 2A minus 40 is equal to 1. Minus A plus 2D is equal to 1. Second condition. Now, solve simultaneously. You know how to solve it simultaneously?
Yes, sir.
Make one of them equal. What happens? What? Okay. Let others also get. You solve and get the value of A and D. You know how to solve, all of you. Direct why you're writing from 1 and 2. Is there any coefficient same? Is it same? No, big same now, then only you can make a no. They are adding, which will cancel. Anything will cancel. Subtracting all, and then make the coefficient same. Multiply second equation by 2. Again, these are written like this. And equation 1 will remain same. Equation 1 gives same thing only, that is minus 2A plus 3D is equal to 0. Second equation multiplied by 2, which gives minus 2A plus 4D is equal to 1. Now you will change the sign and subtract, means minus plus minus. What happens? What happened? Second equation multiplied. So minus D is equal to minus D is equal to 2. Then substitute in any one of the equation, first or second, okay, from 1. Minus 2A plus 3D equal to 0. Minus 2A plus 3 times 2. 6 is equal to 2A, A is equal to 6 by 2, 3. Now check what you have to find out. What you have to find out? First term and common. So first term is equal to 3, common difference is equal to 2. Understood? This solving method, you can do any method if you want to find out A and substitute or whatever the way. But you should know this is generally it's easier way, simultaneously this way solve it. Are we followed? What is it? You have 100,000 times bigger than my brother. Okay, now followed all of you. Question numbers. Go on. Mummy shouted at you. Where do you stay? I think Mummy shouted. She doesn't want to come to UT and you'll write Mummy shouted. And where do you stay? Doesn't know. House name you know? Building name? What is the building name? Huh? That would be. What is which building name? You know your address? Pakka. What is the building name? Tali. Where is it? Which sector? Pakka, no? From here you know how to go home now? Just sit on the cycle will go. Yes. Now, okay. Sanvi, are you doing the sum? Oh, madam, there is no revision test is going on. You're doing any practice homework?
Yes.
I will check with the people. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, read next Alvi. I'm waiting.
Find the value of p if x, 2x plus b and 3x plus 6 are in AP.
So you have to find out the value of P. If x, 2x plus P and 3x plus 6 are in AP. Yes, how will you find?
So find common.
How common difference? How will you find common difference?
T2 minus
So you can take as T1 is equal to how much? X. T2 is equal to 2x plus P. And T3 is equal to
3x plus 6.
plus 6. So what is the formula? T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Substitute and find the value. Nobody will shout. Those who got the answer, stand up. Both of you sit down. Where did you get the answer? Answer. Question even not written. Question even not written. Hello? Rama is going. Rama is brackets you this man I will making check minus and all this second term would minus. That is important now. Then open the bracket will changes now. Pratham, you are not doing it seriously. Hello. Who got the answer? 2 lines. Sidra. Yes, you got. Answer. P. Then what you do again? That's the answer, no? Who got P is equal to 1? P is equal to minus 1. P is equal to 2. All are wrong. 2x plus P minus x is equal to 3x plus 6. Who asked you? Who got the icon? You know, before you can get like in a lot of people, minus minus look here, after minus whatever term you have to put in bracket. Remember this one. If you want to put this bracket also, no problem. 2x plus P minus x is equal to 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus P. Now cancellation over here. Simplify. X plus P is equal to x plus 6 minus P. X and x can cancel. P 6. P equal to 6. P equal to P. You're throwing the pen on me. Where are your friends? Oh, that's learning. Okay, all of you got it? Who is it? Complicated or what? Try to learn because you know one form it is given me, it's easy to remember. That you done? Okay. Yeah. All of you written, completed. Okay. Now. Right, one question. Okay. Sophie purchased a car. Okay. Sophie purchased a car. Hello. What is your problem? You wanted to know everyone's spelling right? Purchased a car in 2018. In the year 2018, whose cost is 5 lakh rupees. Hello, Priyanshu, this drama I don't need to see. You have to send you out from there. Others also writing the question now.
Yes, sir.
In the year 2018, Full stop. Value of the car. Value of the car. No, you look here and there now, then it will come. Value of the car depreciates. Depreciates. 15,000 rupees every year. 15,000 rupees every year. In which year? In which year the value of the car is less than its half price? In which year the value of the car is less than its half price? Huh? Hello, don't decide. He is asking me, I will reply. Others find your business. And you are not returned the question, he is going to reply his problem. I repeat, the Sophie purchased a car in the year 2018. The value of the car is 5 lakhs. Okay. The value next is given. The value of the car depreciates 15,000 every year. In which year the value of the car is less than its half price? Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Followed all of you?
Yes.
Those who are not followed, the raise the hand, I'll explain. So all of you followed. So then fine. Hello, Bilal, what is your problem now? What are you doing multiplication and everything? Your method. Acha, you are going to write 20 years and down here. Very good. You will learn to tell me. Now listen here. Listen. First you have to identify it's a list price. So for the first year, what was the cost of the car? 5 lakhs. Then what depreciates how much? That means the next year what is the car? 4,85,000. Next will be 4,70,000. Okay, it's going on. This is the value of the car in the initially. After this is the first year, second year, third year, gone. In which year the car price is less than its half? Half of the price is how much? 2,50,000. Look here. So this is an AP where A is equal to how much? 5 lakhs. D is how much?
50,000.
Minus 15,000. It is depreciating now. Figure T2 minus T1. Now, what is T1? Tn is less than 2,50,000. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
In which we have to find out the value of n. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D is less than 2,50,000. A is how much? 5 lakh. 500,000 plus n minus 1 into D is how much? Minus 50,000. Less than 2,50,000. This is the condition and you have to get the value of n. For getting this one, if you want to open the bracket or if you want to cancel throughout 3 zeros, you can cancel. Are you followed all of you? Huh? The 1 0 will make it. So you are just copying from me only now. So what you have to do is, either if you want to reduce, or you can open the bracket and reduce, let's say 500,000 minus 15,000 and plus 15,000 less than 250. Copy for me and shouting the answer, there is nothing great. Okay, now you can see, I can take this one to that side. So 500,000 minus plus 15,000 minus 250,000 is less than 15,000 n. So this is 5 lakh minus 2,50,000 is what? 2 lakh plus. This is 265,000 is less than 15,000 n. That is 265,000 upon 15,000 is less than n because divided. So cancel. Therefore, what will you get? 265. That is coming as 53 divided by 3 is less than, isn't it? By 50. That is n is greater than 53 by 3. I have to cancel and show 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 1. 5 3s are 15. So n is greater than means 18, 17 and 2 by 3. 17 3s are 51, 53. N means n is greater than, so in which how many years it takes? 18 years takes. That means when she bought the car? 2018. So after 18 years means plus 18. At the year of 2036. At the year of 2036, what's the value of the car? Wrong. It's less than 2 lakh half the price. It is not exactly. Had it been exactly means you will get a number over here. Okay. It is coming as whatever the value is coming. Okay. That if you want to find out means 18 and is equal to 18 substitute. Are you followed? This is the way to calculate. So this is an equation. This is a question. It's come, combination of AP and inequality. Some.
The end term is greater than end term is less than x. So
what is the question asked? In which year the value of car is less than its half price? What is the half price? 2,50,000. So after n years, it's less than. That's why I took less than. She's closing everything and she's going. Sophie. Now, okay. Now she's become active now. Anne-Marie, what is going on? Tell her to be quiet. Kansha, somebody has to be there to talk now. She is the one who is always talking. When Snail was. Snail is not there, so Sophie. Permanent place. One place should be kept vacant in this room whenever you people come. Because some people are. Nishta. Okay. Okay. There are negative terms like that. Okay, listen all of you. Completed. Close the book. All of you closed and listen. Completed. Gayatri, you're okay? Are you okay? Regularly, you are not attending the lecture. I will never have this. No. Now look here. All of you listen. Completed. Ranveer, I am waiting for you. Done. N greater n is equal to Now, very carefully listen here. Pratham, listen. Now, if I ask you to add the numbers from 1 to 100, can you add it to me? Huh? You'll take, Acha, he says that I can add it within no time. No.
Like what's the BUT?
Huh? 1 plus, listen all of you, or all of you listen. If I ask you to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100, so the normal routine, what you do, 1 plus 2, 3, plus 3, 6, plus 4, like that, 10, etc. It is going in. It will take, even we cannot mentally can calculate, you have to write and see. If this is being given to a child of 3rd standard, imagine how much it will take. Now, look here. Look over here. We need to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. plus say 99 plus 100. Okay, from here to 100. I'm going to reverse it. 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus, keep quiet now, plus 2 plus 1. Okay, and it just reversed. Add 1 plus 100 plus 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 plus. Yes or no? Are you seeing this one?
Yes.
Now, this how many are here? Please listen. Who is both of you be here? I know what he said and all. I don't need to make another story. Now, hello, what are you doing there? Listen to me. Now there are how many 101s are there? 100. So how will you add 100 101s? Multiply 100 into 101. This is 2 times added. Therefore, what will be the answer? Divide by 2. This is added 2 times. Okay, that is 10100 divided by 2. 5050. Got it, this one? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now look here. Why I said this one? If a 3rd standard child has done this one in this class, not in this class, when the person who invented the formula, he did this way in the beginning. That way it is done. The teacher matched in class only, the teacher had some work. So he asked the students to do some of the numbers from 1 to 100. Normally, if you, even I also, if I don't know the formula, what I'll do, I'll sit and write. For us also, minimum right now also at least 5-10 minutes will take, because you have to add and all, it's keep on adding. This boy completed within 4 or 5 minutes and went to a 3rd standard child, and you got this one. Okay, this is the form. From here, what happened to you? Oh. Do you know what is the mean? Do you know what is the meaning of 5 into 8? What is the meaning of 5 into 8?
5 is being multiplied by 8.
Oh. It's converted into addition for. If you convert this into addition part, means 8 is added 5 times. Are you followed? 101 is added how many times? 100 times. Are you followed now? Okay, that is a basic principle. What is the meaning of 2 into 3? 3 is added 2 times. 3 plus 3. That is the meaning. Okay, now your problem solved. Now, okay, now listen carefully now. We have an AP. What is AP? Yes, arithmetic. What is the general form? A plus B, A plus B, etc. Now, nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into B. Sum of these terms, this is called sum of the terms of AP, denoted by Sn. Whenever you see Sn, means Sn is called the sum of n terms of an AP. What is Sn means? Sum of n terms of an AP. If you reverse this one, same form it will come. A plus n minus 1 into B. This will come as what? A plus nd, not nd, n minus 2b. Yes or no? If it is n minus 1 means 1 less than will be n minus 2. 1 less than will be how much?
N minus.
Plus etc. This will be A. If I am going to add A plus this also is Sn now because same thing only. Add A plus A 2A plus n minus 1 into D. If you add, you add A and A is how much? These two added plus here also A and A is added what is 2A. Same thing will get simplified n minus 1 into D. N minus 2 plus 1 will come. And 1 D should be added now. Okay. Plus etc. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is
N minus 1.
you add and subtract, then you will come to know, not now.
Sir, it will be A plus N minus 2.
Come and add and show to others. Let's see this one. You cannot. Now you look over here. Open the bracket. You see what will come. What it will come? Tell. Nahi. What will come? ND minus 2D plus D minus 2D and plus D is how much? So you got it now. Think and get this one. So this one. Now you will see all of them are same terms.
Yes.
So how many terms are there? Sn means n terms. Therefore, its sum is n times 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is 2 times. Therefore, 1 time means Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find out sum of n terms of an AP. Learned? Sophie learned? So learned then Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What this formula is used for? Sum of n terms of an AP. What is AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, till where what the last term? Are you followed?
Yes.
Learn the formula.
Yes, sir. Exactly right. First time and the last.
Did you learn this one? Learn? Is it 2A is the first term? Okay, now listen. So, did you learn this one? Reply to me. Yes, look over here and tell me the formula. I am asking you Pratham. Sn is equal to, look over here, not there. N by 2, N by 2, N by 2. You want to hear from the girls? You want to hear from more girls? You want to hear from me?
Yes, yes. Bracket. Root 2A minus 8 minus.
Minus. Where plus?
Okay.
Now, Sn is equal to learned.
Yes,
You
sir.
learned. Tell
N by 2 times 2A plus N minus 1.
what is equal to? Sn is equal to. Why I am telling Sn? We have studied one formula for Tn. That is also similar one, but different. But that is why don't confuse. Sn is equal to n by 2. You learn now? Okay. Now look here. This one. This Sn n by 2. And we learned.
Yes.
Now this 2A can be written as A plus A now.
Yes.
Plus n minus 1 into D. I just separated 2A as A plus A. This is the last term.
Yes.
Therefore, n by 2 into A plus L.
So that only now. First term plus last term.
You learn the second formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are 2 forms here to remember. Not that last that only. Okay. So there are 2 forms are there you have to remember. One is what? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1. And second one is n by 2 into now, why it is given this one? In this one, A and D, if it is given, we use this formula. If first term and last term is given, directly use this formula. So there are a lot of cases, last term may not be given. Therefore, you have to use this formula. Okay, in both of them, we should have the value of n. If you don't have the value of n, first you have to find out the value of n. Do you know how to find the value of n? What is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 or L is equal to. Okay. Okay, now understood. Now, right, heading right, sum of n terms of an AP. What happened there? Sum of n terms of an AP. Written,
Yes.
consider the AP. Sum of n terms of an AP. Consider the AP A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, etc. Sum of n terms is denoted by, if you want to write the last term also, you can write last term. Sum of n terms is denoted by Sn. Sum of n terms is denoted by Sn. Then write both the formula. Sn is equal to the formula written on the board. N by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Second formula also. N by 2 into a plus n. Sn is equal to. Written all of you?
Yes.
You are right. What all the terms? Where? A. What is A? First term. A is the first term. D. Common difference. Akansha is not writing. Wait, you are Akansha. A is the first term, D is the common difference. Then N. You cannot write over here. N, number of terms. What else? L. Last term. Last term. Last term. And Sn, you know what is it? Sum of n. Sum of n terms. Written all of you? Okay. Now, you know right. Question. Find the sum of the AP.
Question number?
What? Question number 1. So find the sum of the AP. Sum of the AP 3, 13, 23, etc. 323. Can you do all of you?
Yes. Yeah.
Should I do?
No, sir.
If it is given it's an AP, no need to. Combine work is all of you try yourself. Hello, you also try yourself.
Answer what that is.
Oh,
Sir, easy
you
answer.
do in your book. First you do in your book.
It's a random.
You do, why you looking in his book? You look in your book and write. You know the answer, no? Then why you how you write?
It's a coin answer.
One will write, other will copy. That's the thing is going on now. Exam who will go so you see another one is come for chemistry class. Who is that? Rudra. You don't know that. Yeah. No. Look. You don't know the value of n. First you have to find the value of n. First, you need to find the value of n by using the formula for Tn. Did you get the value of n? Then how you got the answer also? Priyanshu, let Pratham do it. Why you are copying everything from me?
So I can do so.
I'm thinking. Only Sindra has done. And Pratham has done. Devesh also has done.
Okay, sir.
Listen, all of you listen here. Those who did not get, those who got, listen. First thing, if it is not mentioned, it is an AP, you have to mention it is an AP. Second thing, listen over here. And you are don't see what is written. Now, next is you check, do we have the value of A? Yes. Do we have the value of D? Yes. We have the last term? Yes. But both the formula, remember, we need to find the value of S. We have two forms are there. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Whichever the formula, we need the value of n. Since n is not there, first is your work is you have to find out the value of n. So this is Tn or last term is equal to what? 320. So we will write 3 for last term. L is equal to a plus n minus 1. From here, you will find out the value of n. Then only proceed. That quite a lot. N is equal to 33. You got?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Read. Got it? Not followed. N is equal to 33. Always remember that if you have in the formula in the sum of n terms, your formula to find the second form is always easy if the last term is given. So you can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. 33 by 2 into 3 plus 323. So
33.
Bilal got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Hope you all got it. No problem. Okay. Yeah. So these with the help of this one, we are going to do the question. Exercise. Exercise 10.3. Yes, read the question. Yeah.
How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18, etc. must be taken so that the sum is 78?
Once I'll send and permanently you'll be out from my lips. Then, yeah. Return, sit down, sit down. So you have the AP, it is already given. AP, it is coming as 24, 21, 18, etc. First you write what are the given information. A is equal to 24. Where is your volume? So take out the volume. The space I will give you. A is equal to 24, D is equal to, where is your volume? D is equal to -3. Sn is equal to, yes, A is equal to 24, D equal to -3, Sn is equal to how much is given? 78. Do you know what value you have to find out?
Yes.
How many makes value of n? So you write the formula for Sn. Which formula? We don't have last term. You do your work now. We don't have the value of n. Use the Sn formula and replace values. Look here. Do we have last term? Where is the last term? We don't have the last term, so we cannot use. So use the first form. Okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Without mistake, you have to do it. I will write on the word and you will copy down. Isn't it? I need the answer. Replace the values. Okay. Who all got? Sophie. Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 times d. That is 78 is equal to n by 2 times 2 into 24, 48 plus n minus 1 times minus 3. You can bring over here 78 into 2 is equal to n into 48 minus 3n plus 3. 156 is equal to n into 51 minus 3n. It's or no? That is 156 is equal to how much? 51 n minus 3n square. 3n square minus 51n plus 156. Is there anyone got this equation?
Yes, sir.
Divide by 3. N square minus 17n.
X plus 51.
50. Did you get the answer?
Yes.
This one, factorize. 13 and 4. N is equal to 13 or n is equal to minus 4 or plus 4.
Plus 4. 15 and 4.
So you got the two values. Now look, this one we will exercise.
Let it be na. So no more.
Homework exercise.
Third, yeah, let's start there.
Second exercise.
Excuse me. Rabbi, I will get clear. Test.